Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Nissan Sentra, a compact sedan that continues to push boundaries with its stylish design, smart technology, and impressive value. At first glance, the 2026 Sentra shows off a freshened look that immediately grabs attention. Nissan has sharpened the front grille, giving it a bolder, more refined appearance. Sleek LED headlights and new wheel designs add to the modern feel, making the Sentra look far more upscale than its price tag would suggest. A couple of new color options have been introduced too, giving buyers more ways to stand out on the road. The Sentra carries forward its reliable 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 149 horsepower. While it's not designed for track days, it offers plenty of smooth, efficient performance for daily driving. The CVT transmission has been updated for 2026, providing a slightly more responsive feel and quieter operation. For those who value a balance of efficiency and comfort, the Sentra still stands strong, with fuel economy figures hovering around an impressive 40 miles per gallon on the highway. Nissan continues to deliver big on comfort and tech. The 2026 Sentra features upgraded materials throughout the cabin, with available quilted leather seats that wouldn't feel out of place in a luxury car. The center console has been redesigned slightly to improve storage and ergonomics. One of the standout upgrades is the new infotainment system, now featuring a larger touchscreen, up to 9 inches, with crisper graphics and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard on most trims. Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite remains a major selling point, and for 2026, it's now standard across the entire lineup. This means every Sentra comes equipped with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system are available on higher trims, pushing the Sentra's value proposition even further. Driving the 2026 Sentra feels more polished than you might expect. The ride is smooth and composed, handling bumps and potholes without much fuss. Steering is light but accurate, making city driving and parking a breeze. It's not a sports sedan, but the Sentra gives you a level of refinement that's rare in this segment. Pricing for the 2026 Sentra starts just under $22,000, which keeps it very competitive in a market where prices continue to climb. Fully loaded models barely touch $27,000, giving you a ton of features for the money. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Sentra proves once again why it's been a mainstay in the compact car world. It's stylish, smart, safe, and still affordable. All the things buyers are looking for today. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a daily commuter, or just someone who wants a dependable and good-looking car without breaking the bank, the new Sentra is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for tuning in to Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest car reviews and updates. See you next time.